coming back to our channel today. And if you're new, thank you for, sticking with us and seeing what I'm going to be unboxing for diamond painting. And I just can't wait. I got to jump right into this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do this one. I wrote on here, Jim's Handmade Pens. This is on Etsy. I will link the description below so you can see. You'll be reviewing this like I am for the first time. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. It's Jim's Handmade Pen Shop. I ordered this on the 31st of April. It's through Etsy. Let's see here. I don't want to... Oh, you wrote Jim's Handmade Pens, Payson, Illinois. Thank you for buying one of my handmade pens. Just a note on the tips. They are interchangeable and can be replaced. They sometimes come loose. I recommend wrapping Scotch tape or washi tape around it at the bottom of the tip. These tips I do not make. They are original tips, and I do not carry stainless steel ones. There is a video on YouTube on how to replace the tips. And he signed it. Aw, that cool. So, all right, let's get into this. Ooh, I've been waiting. I'm just curious to see what it looks like. Ooh, I like the case. Oh, wow. Check that out. Wow, it's like a cake, cupcake cake. Wonder if it'll show up better on this. Look at that. That is cool. Nice. I like it. Thank you, Jim. Boy, it's very colorful. I like all the colors in it. Okay. That is Jim's, what was it again? Jim's Handmade Pens from Etsy. Okay, the next one here is, I think it's O'Brien Custom Turning. I'm sorry if I'm saying that, O'Brien. Anyways, it's handmade diamond painting pens and more. And as you can see, it says Etsy on it. So we're going to go ahead and get into this box. I ordered about four or five for my birthday, so I'm not trying to, freak anybody out here or anything. It's just, I don't have too many pens, so I decided for my birthday to get me some pens with the little bit of birthday money I had. It's about the only time I'm going to do it anyway, is once a year. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, my husband loves to pop them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. I guess I did order a little more than I thought. Okie dokie. Oh, what is this? Chapstick? Huh. Might be chapstick. That's cool. Oh, check it out. Oh, that's cool. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And it's got the little rubbery end on the bottom that you can use on other stuff. That is so cool. And let's see here. So we have this. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I know what that is. I ordered a special pen. Your order made your day. We hope we make yours. If you have any question, okay. little thank you card, and then their business card if you're interested in their pins. Let's see, I don't know if you can read that. It doesn't look like it. It's kind of bluey, and I don't know why. Ugh, that will be getting me in the camera. Okay, let's put this over here. Well, let's start with this one. I think I know what this one is. I think this is the... No, maybe not. I thought maybe it would be the... Okay, let's see what this one is. Ooh, check that out. Wow, that is neat. It's almost like a bluish green. Nice feel. Go either way, really. Wow, I like that. That's pretty. Now, I didn't order any tips with any of these. I've got a lot of tips, so I don't need to order any tips. Okay, we'll set these over here, and then as we go along, we'll put them back in the cameras to group. Okay. Ooh, check this one out. Wow. It's got all kinds of different colors. Ooh, I like that too. Has a nice fit right here in the middle. I like them a little thinner and thicker. I like medium, but I like that. That turning's nice. Boy, that is beautiful. It's orange. This would be good for fall. I love these colors. Okay, got that one. We'll put that on top of there. Let's see what the next one is. Okay, what is this one? Ooh, check that out. Isn't that beautiful? It's wood. It's wood. Wow. Boy, I like this. Ooh, I like that feel too. Oh, that's nice. Man, that is beautiful. That's neat. It's a little longer than the other pens. Okay, we are on pen number 4. Ooh, check this out. Wow, that's beautiful. Boy, I like the colors in that. I'm just staring at it. Sorry, I haven't said much. That's really pretty. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice or not, folks. Let me see. I don't know if I have anything darker to really make this pop. Let's see. What if we do this? Will that help, guys? There we go. That helps a little. See all the colors? Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Let's put these down for a little display. It might help with the pins. I have a blackboard, but I don't feel like dragging it out. Ooh, check this out. Ooh. Okay. Now, isn't that cool? It's like a peppermint striped candy cane stretched out. Boy, I like that. That's going to be nice for Christmas. Oh, man, it's such a nice fit. I love this. This is what, 1, 2, 3, I think. Three humps. Isn't that pretty, though? Boy, that's just beautiful. It's got a little bit of gray in it. Boy, that's nice. It's not as long as the one, but okay, let's see what the next one comes out. These are all surprises. Ooh. Check that out. I like that. I like the black in that. All that. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh, that's a nice fit. I like that too. I hand picked these for how many bumps and lumps and turning. If people know what I mean, that order these pins. But isn't that pretty? Look at all that glitter. Ooh, ooh. Let's see if you can see it better. Yeah, you can see the glitter in the black. Look at that. That is also okay. Next one. Okay. Da da da. Oh, look at all that glitter. I'd like to have my motorcycle painted in one of these colors. This might be kind of cool. Black and then have all that. That would be sharp. Anyways, sorry. I got distracted. I really like the pen. I don't know if that helps, but look at all that glitter. Is it awesome or what? Wow, that is so cool. These are just so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What's this one here? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Da, da, da. It's purple. I don't know if you can see the purple in it, but oh man, that is awesome. You can tell the turning. Oh, that feels great in my hand. I like that a lot. Let's see. Oops, bring it this way, guys. Sorry. There. Isn't that pretty? Boy, is that nice. Man, this is just awesome. They're so glittery. Okay. I didn't realize this was such a big unboxing. Da da da. Oh, this is almost like another fall color. It's kind of like a brown and some purple and red in there and some white. Man, that's pretty. Boy, I really like the turning that I picked with all these humps. They sit just in my hand perfect. Like right in here, this groove, it just rolls. Do 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 do. Either way. Do 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 do. What do you think? I think it's pretty. Ooh, look at the glitter. Boy, that's beautiful. You guys did an awesome job. Thank you so much for these pens. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, check that out. It's almost, wow, that is beautiful. It's not as glittery, but sure is pretty and nice and shiny and buffy and just standing like a sore thumb. And I ordered this one a little different, but still, it feels really good in the hand. Like I say, you can go either way. This side definitely can use in the fall too. See how pretty? Do do do. Do 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 do. Don't mind me, I do that. The singing a lot. Boy, that's beautiful. So, here's my pins in their cases. Let's bring them all back out. The wooden one is right here. This one here, it says Bethlehem olive wood from Bethlehem, the Holy Land. Your purchase is a product made out of the anthetic, you know what the word means, sorry, olive wood from Bethlehem, the Holy Land. This is a beautiful wood, so as you will see with the contrast and the swirls of the olive wood grain. Isn't it beautiful? I had to purchase this. I just thought this was absolutely amazing. I will cherish that one, definitely. So we actually go from here, sorry. And let's put these pins on their rightful bags. Let's see if I can get this set up for you folks. Isn't this awesome? I'm missing a bag. Oh, that's right. This goes to this one. I was apologizing. Okay. There. Da-da-da. Here's all my pins. Let's scoot these puppies up so you can see them all. Let's move this camera over a little. This one's kind of hard to see, and so is this one, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And, oh, we forgot one more. I'll put this one up here like this. There. So here is my new pen collection, if it'll stay put. Okay, it doesn't want to stay put. So this is happy birthday to me. I hope you guys have enjoyed my new pen unboxing. And yeah, I didn't realize I ordered this many. I thought it was only 4 or 5. Apparently I got a little out of hand. But it'll go with my pen collection, and I cannot wait to use these. I might even use one of them for finishing up my heaven and earth. Like this one here, or even this one will go with the color scheme. Even this one. I mean, there's so many I can pick from. Even this one. But I'm going to use this one on a special occasion. I know what this one could be used with too. Boy, now I have to pick. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you for tuning in, I guess, to our page. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you enjoyed this and many more videos to come, please subscribe to our channel. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and we will see you next time. Bye.